Hello, dear ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to welcome you to the Decarbonisation Oil and Gas Congress that BGS Group launches in February 2025 in Berlin. It will be the event about decarbonization in upstream, midstream and downstream. And we will hear the experts who will share the latest trends and technologies of the industry.
Decarbonization in the energy industry is definitely a journey that we're all on. And I think there's a lot of ambitious objectives right now being driven by government and ourselves to decarbonize. And I think it's something that we all have to work on together.
The reason why we have to exchange is because decarbonization is a common target. So it's not a united target, it's not our peers' target, it has to be a global target. So that's why it's important to share knowledge, it's important to share milestones, it's important to create collaboration because we have to work everybody on the same direction.
Decarbonisation is really a mixture of all the possible technologies coming together to reach net zero, the net zero target in 2050, at least for the European Union. And in order to achieve that, we have to use all available technologies and not disregard any technology at hand which can provide an efficient and cost-effective solution.
We should use all the technologies that are there today because what we don't have is too much time. We need to be fast and therefore we need to use all technology today. CCS, for example, might be a next technology besides using hydrogen instead of gas. But everything that we can use, we should make of use today.
From producing the energy to consuming it, it's a very long value chain. And there is a lot of different companies involved, both in the production, the maintenance, the monitoring, the commercial parts, the investment parts, the technical solutions. And there we need to know each other much better to find the good solutions and help each other with the small parts of the puzzle that each of us have. So participating in a conference like this or in the decarbonisation conference, that is just important.